Why my bad bitch I'm pretty than a motherfucker. Hoes be looking okay. She think that she fucking with me. Is this bitch okay?
What's poppin', YouTube? Let me stop acting like I ain't get up and make this bed already.
Bitch, always be on the floor. Big carpet here like blue with a Tula. Come through and blow a hole. Got millions out that rap shit. They hate a bitch, but they stole the flow. Got back in after back in coming. My stole the show. Don't run up on that bitch. She a head case. All she do is shoot. I signed my deal up on the PJ and hopped out a parachute. I'm geeked on next week. Got no more features. I might just start you. I'm geeked on
Already 7. So I need to go ahead and get dressed so I can have time to do all that extra stuff. And I think I need to crimp my hair. So we running out of time, baby. I ain't got time to do half of the stuff I'm finna try to do, but it's the first day. Hey, I could be late. The queen could be late. I'm not gonna be late, y'all. I'm gonna be on time, of course. But yeah, okay, let's get dressed.
Yeah, it's that bird in the VIP line with the V-time and the East run. Used to drive a Nissan, and she in a Beamer. I don't want her, cause she from the corner.
It's the fit, y'all, for back to school. Last first day, senior year. Okay, y'all, so before I leave, I'm gonna do Marc Jacobs because I gotta leave in like 15 minutes, which I already said. So before I go, I'm gonna do a Marc Jacobs bag opening. Really, I'm gonna just show y'all what I'm about to put in my Marc Jacobs bag because this is that bag. So this is how the back look. Front of the bag. So inside the bag, we're gonna start with, let me open it all the way. So we're gonna start with my school laptop. I mean, not my school laptop, my personal laptop that I use for school. I also use my iPad laptop case. Then we're gonna put my laptop, my MacBook, up in here. Honestly, I feel like I don't need the case because, well, I feel like I need the case, but I feel like the case is just too fat because it is a protective laptop case. But it is the first day. I don't need all this stuff, but I'm definitely gonna come with all this stuff. Oh, y'all only got one folder, which is black. And I got 3 classes, so I need to give me like 2 more folders. Yeah, so I'm gonna get 2 more folders. I got 2 composition notebooks, and I think I only need 1 because 1 class did not ask for a composition notebook. Put this in the bag. Okay, put one of those in the bag. I got my Sharpies, but I also got my skinny Sharpies. I already took out the package because I was just trying to take the stuff out, but then I was like, I'm gonna do a bag of what's in my bag. Little mini things. So I got my 4 Sharpies. I'm gonna stick those in here in one of the pockets. I'm gonna stick those up in there. I'm not gonna bring the fat ones today because I don't really need those ones. And I probably won't even need these ones today, but I'm gonna still bring some Sharpies, of course. Then I got some mechanical pencils. I'm gonna bring a couple of these. I'm only bring 2 of these because if I lose one, I got another one, but I shouldn't lose one. I'm gonna stick those in there just like I just did that one. So that's how the stuff look right now. I was the type to always lose my mechanical pencils, but I would never lose my wooden ones. But the mechanical pencils will always run away. Run away. Get stolen. Oh, y'all, look at my Dior perfume. Period. I got this from the mall the other day when I did go back to school shopping last minute. Because we came in from Mississippi for my cheer, after my cheer competition. And then, yeah, went to Chicago and then came back here. Don't forget, I gotta get my school ID. I look so pretty on it. Okay, I gotta get my school ID, and it says Area 31 on the back because I'm an Area 31 student, so they can know that I'll leave early to go to Area 31, which is my cosmetology school. I'm still in hair school, by the way. I'm gonna only be at my school, my regular high school, for 3 class periods. Then I'm gonna leave and I'm gonna go to my cosmetology school. But since I'm a 2nd year student there, I'm gonna be there in the afternoon, which is which is 1 to 5. 1 to 5. 1 to 5 long hours in hair school. But yeah, you gotta do what you gotta do. Because at the end of the year, when I'm done with all my hours up in there, I'm getting my license. So, oh yeah, so hygiene, we gotta bring the deodorants. I got my Aquaphor to oil my lips. Let's see what's in it now. This bag really can get a lot of stuff up in there, y'all. So this really can come in handy. It's so classy and cute. It gives a girly la la la, girl la la la, girl la 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 la. Yeah, I was gonna get a spray ground backpack, but I was like, it's my last year. I didn't really want that. So I got my Tylenol because in headaches, baby, I gets them. Then, you know, if you're a girl, you're a girl, you're a girl. And just take your emergency things, which I'm gonna put in a pocket too. And I feel like that's pretty much it, y'all. Why my mom got me crayons? I swear I don't really need those no more. I don't know what grade she thought I was going to. Y'all need to hurry up, but I'm slowly taking my time doing this. So, and then I got my if you know, you know, you gotta keep that got to be spray on ya. Especially because I go to hair school and I can fix my hair at the hair school if I need to, or if I ever want to. Yeah, or if I ever want to. So I'm putting me my got to be spray in there. If y'all seen that video, the vlog before this, which was like last year, y'all know what I'm talking about. Like, I keep the hair stuff on me. Okay, now I need to put my brush in there. Keep that on me. And I keep my rat tail comb in me. Because, you know, when it gets to itching, it gets to itching. Okay, then I got to keep my lotion on me. Got to stay oiled up. I got the Golden Eclipse Bath and Body Works lotion. I'm finna go get my other snacks because I got some hot fries down there. Some Cheetos up in there. It's heavy. Not gonna lie. It's really that laptop that's making it heavy, but oh well, oh well, oh well, oh well, oh well. So yeah, that is my tote bag, y'all. It's finished, it's full, it's packed. It has everything in here I need. It has my pencils, and it has my highlighters. It has my personal stuff. I got my ID. Then I got my MacBook laptop. I got my folders. I got my composition notebook, and I got my journal. I got my colored pencils, which is all the school supplies. Then I got my hair stuff. I got my gots to be, because you got to keep up with it. You got to keep up with your gots to be. I got my rat tail comb, and I got my brush. And I'm loud. My mom's still in her sleep. I'm loud. Okay, so I think she up by now because I have to shower running. But then I got my Aquaphor up in there. Where's my lip gloss? Oh, I think that's in my Fendi bag. Then I got my lotion. And my keys stay in my purse because I need to reach those quicker. Like, I can't be digging all the way in the bag to find my keys. That ain't gonna work. So my keys can stay up in there. Oh, and then I got my chargers. I got my iPad charger, which works for my MacBook. And I got my regular phone charger. I'm gonna keep on me. Because my phone just be dying. Like, they said all these phones supposed to be staying, like, the battery supposed to be dying late, and it don't. It be dead. I barely be on it, and it be dead. My battery might just be messed up. I don't know. And then I got my iPad charger. It goes up in there. Really, I should put these. Yeah, I'm gonna put these chargers in my purse. I don't play that snatching charger stuff. I swear I'm gonna snatch you up. I don't play that. I don't care how much it costs. You ain't snatching my fast charger. My fast charger. On my own time, you're not snatching my fast charger. Baby, no. Bag full, backpack. Thick, cute, hair cute. Everything tea. My Marc Jacobs tote bag, y'all. Get y'all one, for real. What time? I gotta go, so we're pretty much done with this. So I'm gonna see if I can record in school, but they just passed this new phone policy law in my state where all schools, like no schools can have phones, basically. Like by law, they can tell us to put our phone away, and we can't argue back saying, well, you don't pay this bill. Pretty much fit everything up in here, which is very convenient and very cute and well organized too. So Get y'all a Marc Jacobs tote bag for school, because I really just feel like they really tea. I got up so early to do this vlog for y'all. Y'all better be lucky. Enjoy this vlog. I'm gonna try to see if I can record in school. If I can't,
We need a bag on me,